Good morning, vergas. Aquí andamos. I'm about to start assembling the axle onto the trailer, and yeah, because it slacked off last night again. As soon as I got home, I passed out. Pero saludos, vergas. No axles in. I just gotta wire up now for the brakes and install the backing plate and disc rotor. Oh, I'm tired. That shit was a bitch to get into. Pero everything's in now, so saludos, vergas. Y'all don't even know how happy this shit makes me. Like, no mames, a fucking lightning. Like, hold up, I think I might have to put it down in neutral and rev it up, because I need to hear this. I need there's fucking lights, no mames. Alright, let's see. Like, y'all don't even know. Like, this is my dream truck right here, and me being able to work on it, like I mean, it's high mileage. I mean, this dude actually drives it, but damn, that's fucking sick.
Mi único deseo es poder.
¿Qué onda, vergas? Aquí andamos. We're barely getting out of work. Out here in that golden hour, as you can see, my face is looking fine as shit. A la verga, pinche guapo. So, can you hear that? My truck is running fine as shit right now. So, before, when I used to floor it, my battery light would turn on. And that shit was weird, because like it would never do that until like yesterday or like a couple days ago. I started doing that. So like this morning, I popped the hood open. You know, I check all the terminals and shit, see if they're fine. You know, no corrosion or anything on the battery. And then I wiggle the connection where the battery's at, and the negative terminal was a little bit loose. You know, I tightened it down, and now it's perfect. Cold AC. Everything's running perfectly. ¿Qué más quiero? Well, I mean, only except for the drop kit, you know, and you know, the front vibrations, you know, it vibrates like a crazy right now. But I mean, it's just simple shit. I mean, like, I can fix it later on, but I mean, I'll probably get a slack off on it like I do on like mostly everything. Pero yeah, you know, like for the drop in the front, I'm probably just gonna do a 4-inch drop. And I'm gonna drop it with control arms, you know. It's like, because I'm gonna need the bushings anyways, you know. Might as well just replace the whole thing. But that's for the lowers. For the uppers, I think I'm just gonna go with like some like basic ass AutoZone or O'Reilly's parts, and then so that way I can keep all my stock suspension, you know. It's better that way. But for the most part, all I need now for my truck is some headlights, you know, change up the look a little bit. No wheels for sure. I need new wheels, because these basic ass off-road wheels aren't cutting it no more. On some low pros or some street tires, like, they don't even look good no more. It just looks like dumb basic. And then after that, I don't know. What y'all think I should do to my truck? Should I be fast or puro show? Let me know in the comments. Pero, saludos, vergas. Ahí nos vemos. Salud. ¿Qué onda, vergas? I'm out here doing some light bulbs outside. It's a bitch, so I had to wear my hat. Pero ya se la saben. I'm not gonna get burnt.
Why are you recording me?
Because there's a fire.
There's a fire. There's a fire in here.
There's a fire. Following Jose the vlogger.
That's you.
See y'all, there's a fire.
I said, oh Lord Jesus, it's a fire.
Don't mind Jose drinking his drink. Fire.
Fuck! Look at the smoke.
Oh, it's getting bigger.
Yeah, dude.
Sheesh. Barely washing this ugly bitch. Like, it's been a fat minute. Well, I mean, it's just like a week since I washed it, but I mean, like on the first day that I washed it, like I had so many bugs get on the windshield and it just looked all crusty. And I don't like that. Pero, yeah, finally, you know. Me perdió getting this bitch washed because I slack on it too much. I should be on it most of the time, but I just slack so much. Pero hopefully big things coming soon, like starting Fridays when I start working 20 hours an hour. But a ver cómo me va. Let's hopefully get the new truck or just finish building the this one. Pero saludos, vergas.